Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Robin here once again for today's video. And in today's video, we have a lot going on in the stock market over the past couple days. If you guys have been around and whatnot, whether you're new to the channel or not, there's been a lot of things going on. And I just want to talk about in this video. And I want to do this video because I wasn't going to do a video today, but I thought I should probably do one because this is an important topic to talk about. I know a lot of you guys who watch this channel are beginner investors, and I just want to do this video because there's something I want you guys to watch because this is an important thing to really, amongst all the panic and the confusion and people freaking out and stuff like that and all the things you see in the news and whatnot, it's easy to kind of fall into that, that panic kind of situation when really right now is a great opportunity for investors. And I'm going to talk about that through this video and, kind of give you guys my insight on that if you guys are if this is your first time experiencing this kind of thing in the stock market. So I'm here on my Wealthsimple account here, guys, and if you guys have been watching the channel for a little while, you'll know that I was sitting at about a 8% return at the start of 2018, I believe. I was sitting at about plus $2,600 in my main portfolio, and upon logging into my account today, I am at negative $740 with a, let's go for percentage here. Change the return type to percentage, we have 0.1%. I don't know why it says 0.1%. It's actually a negative 590, so that's kind of weird. I know Wealthsimple was having some issues with their website earlier, and I hope it's not because everybody's like panic selling. Like, I don't know what it is, but I hope that's not the reason why. But their website has been a little bit slow today, and I had to actually I'd try a couple times to get in my account here and see my balance. So this might not be an accurate balance, but like the market's basically been like this for the past couple days, and today it looks like we've hit an even bigger low. When my account finally hit the negative. So it's hard to say. Like, here's the thing, guys. It's hard to say when we're gonna keep dropping and whatnot. We don't really know that. The only thing we can do is the same thing we do every single day, which is slowly put money into our account and we invest. That's what we do. Even when markets go up, you keep investing. You keep doing the same thing. When markets go low, like they are right now, you just keep doing the same thing, guys. You keep doing the same thing, and that's all you do. Because here's the thing: when stocks go down, they will inevitably go up. The thing is, we just don't know when. It could be a couple weeks, things kind of balance out. Could be a couple months. Could be a year or so. We really don't know. But in the meantime, if you take advantage of when the market dips, you'd be surprised at how much you can kind of come up on head at the end of things. And in the end of the day, you're going to get a gain. And the more it dips, the more you invest, the bigger the gain in the end. So the more patient you are, and the more you kind of keep investing. You don't panic like everybody else is, because you'll see everybody everywhere on the media. If you guys go to your work and you talk to people who invest in stock, everybody's freaking out right now about stocks. But here's the thing, and you guys are smarter than this, that you don't sell when things are in the negative. And I know from an emotional standpoint, this can be a little bit hard because you've worked hard, you've invested. Especially if you're a beginner and you're not sure about. You're not sure about investing, you haven't witnessed it, you haven't gone through it. Here's the thing: if you're brand new to investing and this is your first time experiencing a market downfall, this is a blessing in disguise, because now you will get the strength and the discipline for in the future, for when your account is higher and you get bigger dips. When they do come, they always come, we just don't know when. You'll have the mentality and the strength to push through it. And this is what I have right now. The thing is, throughout my account last year, this growth account actually went in the negative quite a bit. It would go up and then it would go down. It'd go up and then it'd go down. And it'd keep doing that all the time. Like, I'd go up like $100 and then it'd go down, and then I'd go $500 and then it'd go in the negative, and then it'd go up to $800. And it kept going back and forth. And eventually, in the beginning I was a little bit, oh my God, what's going on here kind of thing. But eventually it just kind of, I just got used to it. And that's why when this is happening today, I don't really care, because I know every time it goes into the negative or it drops, it's always followed by an even greater rise than before. So, it's something you just got to get used to. And here's the thing on the graph here. You guys can see here, over the past month, we can see this is how the stock market's been going. We've been going up and up and up for like the past year and a half or so. And then we got a nice good drop here. And then I think today, it looks like it went up today. It's probably not reflected yet, but it even went even further today. But you see this little black line? This is my deposits. And you'll notice that as the market started going down, I'm throwing more money into my accounts. And the reason I'm doing this is because, number one, I'm pulling some money out of some other investments that I've been meaning to kind of throw away into my accounts and whatnot over time. But also, the number one reason why I'm kind of I kind of got on my butt today, I gotta kind of get this done. a little bit more aggressively is because the markets are falling. If the markets are falling and they're dropping, you invest more money now. In the future, you will make more money off of it. Think about it this way. My account has been in the negative since I'd say about early last year. So over the course of last year, this gives you an opportunity to basically go back in time. You can go back in time and you can invest a year ago. So invest as much money as you can comfortably. You're not afraid to lose it, kind of thing. But if you do have some money that you're sitting away and you've been wanting to invest, now is the perfect time to do it. And here's my advice. Because we don't know when the market's going to drop and when it's going to actually bottom out, here's the thing I would do is every single day or every other couple days, put a little bit more money. And the more it drops, the more the market drops, the more money you put in. So, let's say you have like $5,000 to invest. Right now you could put maybe $1,000 in, and then wait a couple days, and maybe you could put another 1,000. And then if you see the market drops even more, maybe you can put another $500, and you just keep doing that as the market keeps dropping. And then in the end, what will happen is you'll get more gains in the future. So even if like a week from now, let's say we go back up 2%, you've now just got a 2% gain on that money you've invested. And that's how you can take like something like a crisis like this, with quotations, when the market's falling, you can actually make a lot of money with it. And over time, think about this in the long term. Like if you invest a lot of money right now and you keep your money in, 1, 2 years, 3 years from now, that money will grow and compound. And even at the end of the year with dividends and stuff like that and whatnot, you might even come out on even. Like I think this year we're probably going to be looking at a return or pretty close to that, because stocks have just been doing so good the past couple of years. Nobody really knows, but I'm predicting that. And then maybe next year we'll have a good year. So if this year you can invest a lot, especially right now, like we don't know if this is probably like, the thing is, because this is kind of like a market scare with the coronavirus and stuff, that's what a lot of people are predicting is causing this. I don't think this is going to be a long-term drop. Like I think the markets might be a little bit lower this year overall, but I think like this is a premature drop that probably over a short period of time, maybe a couple months, we're going to see a little bit of it. It's going to kind of go back up a little bit to some degree. So I think investing now, especially like as the market has dropped, look at an opportunity to invest right now. Like invest as much money as you can, guys. Because and I know it's hard because mentally, you're just not there. The worst thing you can do right now is sell all your money. Like sell your investments. It's the worst thing to do. Everybody's going to be doing that. Don't do that. Because people are stupid, okay? Don't be stupid people. Keep your money in investments and hold on to them. Don't sell them. Best thing you can do is buy right now. So don't sell, buy if you can. You don't have to buy. You don't have to buy if you don't want to, because you'll still make the same amount of money in the end. But if you have the opportunity to buy, I would say even if it's just a little bit, put some money into it, because you'll get a bigger reward in the future. And that's what I'm kind of doing. So I just want to make this video. I know it's a short little video. I wasn't planning on doing a video today, guys, but I felt like this is an important video to do, because I know some of you guys are beginners. You're brand new to investing on this channel, as this channel is made for beginner investors. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, as I do a lot of videos about dividend investing and stuff geared towards beginners. And this is why I want to do this video today. And other than that, guys, I just want to do a quick update on the dividend investing case study. If you guys don't know, I do a dividend investing case study where every single week we put money into a tax-free savings account on Wealthsimple Trade. Our account that we've had actually went down $31 today too. So it was up about 2.5%, I think, last week or something like that. And now it's down negative 351%. But guys, it doesn't matter, because it's going to go up eventually. And, we're just going to keep putting money in every single week. So I'll put a link to that series if you guys want to check that out in the description of this video, because I think that's if you're new to investing and stuff like that, check out that video. And other than that, guys, I just want you guys to just stay calm, try to relax, go to the store, grab a cup of coffee, and just take it easy. While everybody else is freaking out, you can be the calm in the storm, okay, guys? But that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to kind of shoot this out there so you guys can see that. Other than that, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you already aren't subscribed, and I hope this video kind of helped you out. I hope this video kind of inspired you guys and gave you guys some strength at this hard time. But anyways, take care, guys. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys later.